Got a sweet tooth and some time to spare? Let's dive into the best chocolate lava cake recipe ever. Start by preheating your oven to a toasty 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Now grab 4 ounces of dark chocolate and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Pop them in a microwave-safe bowl and melt them together in 20-second bursts until they're smooth and dreamy. Stir in 1 cup of powdered sugar until it's all mixed up. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs and 2 egg yolks like you're in a cooking show. Time for the dry stuff. Sift in 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, add a pinch of salt, and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix it up, but don't go overboard, just until it's combined. Grease 4 small ramekins and dust them with cocoa powder for that perfect release. Divide your luscious batter evenly among them. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes until the edges are set but the center is still soft and gooey. Let them cool for just 1 minute if you can wait that long. Then flip them onto a plate and top with powdered sugar, a scoop of ice cream, or fresh berries. That's it. Enjoy the delicious molten goodness.